What's up guys? I've got the new Pixel 9 XL finally in the studio and super excited to test this bad boy out and really see what it can do. It's quite slippery, so it definitely needs a case. I picked 4, I ordered them, and they're all in the studio. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Case number 1 is the Spigeon liquid air case, and very simple, very minimalistic design, and has a just very simple look here. Not a ton of grip, but just very basic, very minimal. Has some nice ridges on the side for grip and nice cutouts for the buttons here. The power button specifically has some extra grip on it as well. You also have a slot here on the side for a keychain, and on the other side here you just have a little bit of grip here. So this one I like simply that it feels good in the hand. It's really simple, and it's got some nice ridge on the left and the right side in terms of holding it. Number 2, we have the Athlex series by Caseology, and this one really stands out in terms of the look. It's got this unique design with the bends in the middle, and it's got a lot of texture on the back there. On the side there are these little tiny dots that run along the whole edge of the phone that make it really easy to grip no matter where you grab the phone. This is also a military grade drop test proof case as well. So not only do you have great grip, you have some extra protection in the event that you drop the phone. So I definitely like the look of this one because it doesn't look like your average case. It has character, and it just has grip literally all around the phone. So definitely love this one. This one is going to be number 2. All right, number 3 is not your average case at all. This case has a ton of character, has these really strong and thick defined grooves on the back, which makes it probably the most gripped case of all the ones I'm going to show today. So this one just feels so great in the hand, and it actually has an extra long bump around the camera. So if you were to drop the phone, the lens really would not be exposed to the ground, which just makes it even probably the most protected of all cases, most durable. This one is just so nice. It's got so much unique character. It has lines on the buttons for volume and power, so you got really nice grip along the buttons there, and just a super nice case. This one I was definitely attracted to, just the out of the ordinary style. This one is not military grade drop protected, but it does have shock absorption, and it does have an anti-scratch design. Finally, we're at number 4. This is by Ringke, very popular case manufacturer. And this one I love for just the style. It has that camo, and it has these little lines that run all the way through the back. So the entire back has really great grip. So really beautiful aesthetics, great grip. On the side, you have these defined little bumps here that make it really easy to hold the phone from the top or the bottom. And you have just a lot of grip that runs along between the buttons here. So this one, again, man, I feel like I picked 4 really great cases, and it's really hard to kind of pick between the 4. Me personally, I'm torn between number 4 and number 3. Those 2 are my favorite, but I'm curious to hear from you guys which one you like the best and which one you would consider getting for your Pixel 9 XL. Now, I'm pretty sure most of these also come in the Pixel 9 size as well. So I'm gonna drop the links for all these in the description, and I'm looking for you guys to vote on which one you like the best, 1, 2, 3, or 4, and drop it in the comment section down below. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.